So this is the Kemimoto rear storage. It's got nice locking features. It goes in pretty easy. We'll show you the video. Also, you can put a Rotax fuel tank on the top, which we don't have, but it's an optional feature. Pretty easy. It uses existing bolts already to mount it, and it's very durable and sturdy, so we like it. But thank you, Kemimoto. It's an excellent addition to anyone who has a Honda Talon. I believe they make other models as well, compatibility-wise, so you don't have to have a Honda. It could be a Razor or whatnot, but we really like it. It's secure, it locks well, and you can just put a cable strap in here, so you don't really have to worry about too much of your stuff. So it's thumbs up.